Hello everyone. I'm Mirja Bhatnagar. I have written few books and one of them is poetry book. And I would like to share my poems with you through this channel. This book is titled as Whispered Melodies, A Journey Through Verses. It has around 100 poems and I would love to share them one by one with you. So here is the first one. It is titled as Sea. Oh, the sea, the mighty sea, a wonderland of mystery, endless waves that ebb and flow, with secrets only it can know. The ocean's vast and endless deep, where creatures great and small do sleep, from whales that breach the surface high to tiny plankton passing by. The sea is both serene and fierce. It's the power we can't always pierce. From calm blue waters to storms so wild, it's nature's force that is undefiled. The salty air that fills our lungs, a rhythm of tides that hums. The sunsets painted in the sky, the beauty that we can't deny. Oh, the sea, the mighty sea, a treasure trove of history, from pirates' tales to ancient lore. It leaves us wanting more and more. So let's embrace the ocean's might and all the wonders in its sight. Thank you.